Newly adopted guidelines for LGBT students in Sarasota schools created hours of debate at tonight's school board meeting. But as News Channel 8's Victoria Price shows us, the discussion there made no dent in the directive.
Hey, good evening. The superintendent insists these are not new guidelines, just newly put in writing. Still, 3 hours worth of parents signed up to speak tonight, all with very strong, very divided opinions.
I am a parent, and oh yes, I'm also a transgender woman.
Tuesday's Sarasota school board meeting packed with parents and passionate debate.
This is not about LGBT rights. It's about PARENTAL rights.
Last month, the district adopted gender-diverse student guidelines that direct schools on how to address issues, including bathrooms, locker rooms, and overnight field trips for LGBT students. The guidance also allows kids to choose the name and gender they identify with at school. No parent input needed.
We have to err on the side of caution of making sure that they are safe, they are protected, they are valued, and they are appreciated.
Some parents argued the lack of notification infringed on parental rights. Others disagreed with allowing transgender kids to choose which bathrooms and locker rooms they were comfortable with.
I'm sorry, I don't want a young man in there with my daughter.
But others thanked the district for protecting LGBT kids, including protection from outing them to parents who may not accept their child's situation.
Our transgender kids just want equity in the schools.
Regardless of attacks or praise from parents, the superintendent's message remained to his students.
You do not need permission from your parent or anyone else to be lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, questioning, intersect, or asexual.
Tonight's heated discussion concluded with a failed motion by the board's chair to bring back the parental notification issue for board consideration. In Sarasota, Victoria Price, News Channel 8.